Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. This is my Christmas amaryllis bulb. It was supposed to bloom at Christmas. It didn't bloom till like a week after, but it sent up another bud and it bloomed just in time for Valentine's Day. So enjoy my beautiful amaryllis flower. This is my little Valentine's Day heart-shaped snack. I guess they're kind of like little grilled cheese tea sandwiches and a little Roma tomato cut into a heart shape, which I grilled. I do have a pictorial demonstration of how to cut grape tomatoes into little heart shapes. You can do the same thing with the Roma. So I will link that in the description. And now I will try one of my little heart-shaped grilled cheese sandwiches. It's very good, just the way you want grilled cheese to taste. I cut my bread into little heart shapes. Little heart-shaped cookie cutter. And I use some Follow Your Heart American slices. Cut those with the same heart-shaped cookie cutter and grilled them with a little bit of homemade plant butter. So I hope that you're all having a nice Valentine's Day, whether you have somebody to celebrate it with or not. For some reason, it doesn't bother me to be alone on Valentine's Day. It never has. I go ahead and celebrate with little heart-shaped things because I like it. So, yeah, this is just a little short video I wanted to do with little heart-shaped things. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.